how to disable iPhone app tracking. This video, guys, I'm going to be walking through how you can disable app tracking on your iPhone for transparency, guys. So just go ahead and open your settings. When you open your settings, guys, you can actually do this for a specific app. So if you just don't want a specific app to be tracking you, you can just go ahead and do it this way. But to do it generally, here's a simple step you need to follow, guys. Just go ahead and look for where it says privacy and security, guys. Click on that. When you click on that, you're going to be seeing where it says tracking just above your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now just go ahead and turn this off, guys. If it's toggle on, just go ahead and turn it off, and this will stop all your applications from being from tracking you. If you really want to turn this on, guys, you can just go ahead and turn it on and then turn it off for specific applications. So you can just come back here, guys, and then for example, if I should go down to this application here showing me allow tracking, so I can just go ahead and click on allow and then turn it off if you want to just turn it off for a specific application. As for me, guys, I prefer leaving it all turned off because there's no any use for any app to track you. Just for security reason, guys, just go ahead and turn this off. But if you want this for specific app, you can just go ahead and follow the step I just showed you, guys. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.